Howard Bernstein with you. And Saturday night, we're looking at the potential for a winter weather mess Sunday night into Monday morning. Let me show you what I'm talking about by looking at the operational European and GFS or the American model. Here we start with the Euro. This is Sunday, 6 o'clock. The blue is snow. The pink is a mix of snow, sleet, freezing rain. And then the green would be just plain old rain. As we put it in motion, you'll notice as we head in toward Monday morning, 1:30. We've got snow north, rain south, and that transition area. I think the cold there is going to be a little deeper than we're showing, so don't be surprised if the pink area covers more of northern Virginia, maybe even south of I-66 a little bit. As we head into Monday morning, still holding on to mainly snow along and north of I-70 up towards southern Pennsylvania, maybe up to the turnpike there through western Maryland with a little mix on the southern edge. Looks like a little bit of a lull. Maybe we get into some drizzle or lighter rain for a while Monday before a secondary surge of moisture moves in. And notice with the northeast winds, the cold has dropped a little bit farther to the south and southwest here in northern Virginia. I think, again, this could be a little bit farther south. That's why I'm concerned that areas north and west of town, especially for Monday morning's commute, could have a lot of slick roads. This could do a number on schools. Delays and or closures certainly on the table. South of town, though, southern Maryland, we're looking at generally rain down there. As we head into Tuesday, here we are Monday night. Notice the snow north of town, and that's going to accumulate potentially a couple of inches, maybe 3 or 4 if somebody really maxes out. But the bigger concern I have is for freezing rain to be hanging on overnight Monday night into Tuesday morning, especially north of town. And then Tuesday, looks like everything turns over to just a cold rain. Now, GFS, the American model, not that much different with some snow and mix moving in Sunday night into Monday morning. Notice the pink much farther south, though, on the GFS. And then by late morning Monday, rain, there's that lull. Some cold there, though, turns that mix back to snow, but it's in western Maryland, northern Maryland, along and north of I-70. The ice could be a little bit more extensive north and west, and that's the thing we really have to watch out. When we get these cold air damming situations, the models tend to rush the cold air out of here a little bit faster than in reality. By Monday night, still potentially a little bit of snow and ice hanging out into early Tuesday morning near the Mason-Dixon line before this looks like it's going to lift to the north, leaving us again with a cold rain on Tuesday. Temps anywhere from the upper 30s to the low 40s. So let's take a look at one of the models, the NAN, the North American model. The snow potential generally keeps it anything substantial along and north of I-70 here. And as we go into Monday evening, a couple of spots like Oakland and Hagerstown, Westminster, right around the 3-inch mark, but barely a dusting here or coating in town. Ice, though, could be a more significant factor as we head in toward Monday night, especially in the mountains. Look at this. This is the ice potential from the NAM. Again, not much through Monday afternoon, but it doesn't take much to cause problems. However, I want you to watch what happens Monday evening, Monday night out west. Yeah, that stands out like a bullseye there into Garrett County. That red is 3/4 of an inch. If that were to happen, that would be a real crippling ice storm in toward far western Allegheny County. So that might be Frostburg, could be into LaVale and Cumberland and points west into Garrett County. So we have to watch that situation very carefully. As far as the impacts Monday, let's talk about them. Yellow weather alert. Power outages are low, except that there's enough ice out west, so that's why it's on the table. Wet roads south, slick roads north and west. There's a high likelihood of that. School delays. That goes anywhere from nothing where it's just raining to closures where we've got the snow and ice north and west. So right now we'll call for a moderate risk of school delays. And that is the very latest on this pending winter weather mess we're looking at for the beginning of the week. Have a great rest of your weekend. I'm Howard Bernstein.